Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I just wanted to go over how to create a USB for macOS High Sierra, and this will also apply for the new upcoming Mojave release. So you want to first download it from the Mac App Store. So I've already done that here, and it pops up to do the installation, but we're not doing the installation. We're going to go ahead and close out of that and get out of the App Store here. Now, these directions are also on Apple's website, and I will go ahead and post a link to that just in case you need that. So, what they want you to do is find the installer in your applications folder, and after downloading the installer, connect the USB drive, which I already have. They say make sure it's at least 12 gigs of space, but I believe 8 is fine. Let's see here. Type or paste one of the following commands in terminal. These assume that the installer is still in your applications folder, and my volume is the name of the USB flash drive. Okay, if it has a different name, replace my volume accordingly. So if you have your flash drive named something else, you can either rename it to this or just put the name of it in the code that they give you here. So I'm going to go to my applications folder and make sure that it is there. So if you go to the applications folder here, just want to see macOS High Sierra. Let's see if it's in here. And there we go. So it's under I. Install macOS High Sierra. Alright. So, and my hard drive, or my flash drive is named Kingston. So, okay. Let's see here. Alright, so I'm just going to rename mine Kingston here. Alright, so we're going to go to terminal. Alright, so we're in the terminal here, and I'm going to go ahead and create a High Sierra USB. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. And you can type this all out if you rather, but I'm going to go ahead and paste it. Now in here it says, remember to change the name of the volume. So in this case they have it as my volume, but I'm going to take that out and type in Kingston. Well, let's see. Maybe it won't let me do that. Okay. It's not letting me do that. So, sorry, bear with me here. And I don't want to type this all, so I'm just going to open up a note and paste in there here. Alright, new one. Okay. And we are going to go to the my volume portion here and just delete. And I'm going to type in Kingston, which is the name of mine here. Alright, recopy, and we are going to paste it in there. Now one thing to note is if you do have a USB and you have something on this USB, you should probably back it up because this will probably format it. Okay, so once you got all that set up, you should be able to just go ahead and press enter. Let me see if it has anything here. Okay, let's press enter. Alright, it's going to ask for my password, so I'm going to type my password in, hit enter. Is not a valid volume mount point. I wonder why. Okay. It's very possible that it's not formatted correctly, so I will go ahead and format it. Okay, so it's formatted as MS-DOS, that's probably why. We'll go ahead and erase it, and I'll name it My Volume. Let's see. And I'll change it to macOS Extended here. Okay, so that's now done. So let's see if we can get this to work now. Now I'm going to take the original here and just copy it again, go back to our terminal here. Let's try this one more time. Okay, so now it's recognized it. It was in a wrong format, so one thing to note is you'll want to have it in one of Apple's file formats for the hard drive, for the USB, and just note that it's going to be erased. All right, so it says ready to start. To continue, we need to erase the volume. If you wish to continue, type Y, then press return. All right, so hit Y, enter. Okay, and we are back. So that took quite a while. I had to stop recording after a little while, and when I make this video, I will make that part just really short. So as you can see, it copied the installer, copy complete, made it bootable, all that good stuff. So to verify, you just go back to your USB, and we will go ahead and look here. And as you can see, it's got the installer in there. I wish it was as simple as copying it over, but I don't think that would work. Anyway, so when you decide to go ahead and install, you can either put the USB in your Mac or your iMac or whatever, and if you want to upgrade to it, you should be able to simply click on it and upgrade from there. If you want to do a clean install, you would just put your USB in, and when you start your computer, press and hold the Option key until it pops up with the different boot options. And from there, you just follow the instructions and you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.